Introducing the CIGWELD Transmig 395HD, the little brother to the Transmig 500HD, built from the same industrial DNA but refined into a more compact, highly efficient powerhouse for professional fabrication. With up to 395 amps of output and an impressive 80% duty cycle, it's engineered to run all day in demanding environments. This unit is available in both air-cooled and water-cooled packages, each supplied as a complete, ready-to-weld setup. Designed for real industrial conditions, it features a rugged steel chassis, integrated trolley with gas bottle support, 4-roll geared wire drive system, and a factory-fitted 32-amp plug. Its high-efficiency cooling system keeps temperatures under control for consistent performance and an extended service life. When it comes to the arc, the 395HD delivers serious versatility, supporting MIG, gas and gasless, stick with VRD, DC lift TIG, and carbon arc gouging up to 6.5 millimeters. Advanced inverter technology and a clear, easy-to-read digital display system make it easy to dial in precise settings with smoother starts, stable output, and the accuracy needed for repeatable, high-quality welds. You also get advanced welding settings like crater fill, adjustable burnback, 2T and 4T trigger latching capability, and 16 programmable memory recall functionality, giving experienced welders complete control over their workflow. Built to perform and built to last, the Transmig 395HD delivers dependable power, stability, and efficiency. It's the perfect step down from the 500HD without compromising on industrial grade capability. Talk to your nearest CIGWELD distributor today about getting yours.